back to my channel. It's your girl BerryFae. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a huge kitchen haul. We are redoing our kitchen in our apartment, so today I'm going to be going through every detail of what we're going to be applying in our new space, or in our same space but making it look new. So let's get started. The theme, the color scheme for the kitchen is white, matte black, and brass gold. So yeah, we're gonna stay on theme this year as we are growing into a oneness in our home. So yeah, if you don't know, this apartment used to be just mine, but when we got married we decided to move into my apartment because I had a 2-bedroom and he had 1. So we're just trying to get out of, specifically me, get out of the idea that this used to be my space and creating an our space vibe. So that the best way for me to do that is not just to talk about it, but it's to do something about it. So I came up with the idea to change all of our major common areas, which will include our kitchen, our dining area, our living area, and our bedroom. Those places will be changed completely. We're going to change out the bed in our room. We're changing out the rug. We're keeping the couch. We're keeping the table, changing out the chairs. So we're just doing a whole bunch of different changes. So that's what this video is about, me showing you all the things that we are going to be applying to our new kitchen space. Again, when I say new, not that it's a new space, but just new things that we're adding to our kitchen. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm super excited to show y'all the things that I've been accumulating over the last couple weeks. And yeah, some of these things are gifts from our wedding registry, and then some of them are things that I purchased, and you'll know them as I talk about them. So let's get started. All right, so I'm just going to do the first things first that are easiest to pick up. So first we have some kitchen towels. These are some black and white towels. These are from Ross, and here is one that says "So Love John 3:16" because it was February when I initially bought this, so this would have been up for Valentine's Day, but I can still use these interchangeably, but they won't be going up together at the same time because they're 2 different patterns. But here are some new black and white kitchen towels. Next we have a new kitchen knife set. This is from the brand Time and Table. You'll be seeing a lot of this brand in today's video. This is from Walmart, and it's a 3-piece knife set to go with our new style. So it's nice black. I don't know if the light is too bright for y'all. So it's nice black with little gold speckles on them, and I'm super excited to use these knives. Moving along, next we have this new silverware. The light is reflecting so badly. Here's the new silverware, and this is the main attraction for our kitchen remodeling. Is this silverware. This 20-piece silverware set is from the company GS. This was something that we put on our registry that someone purchased for us. So it has 4 of each thing: salad fork, dinner fork, knife, spoon, soup spoon. So it has 4, and it's super nice. It's going to look so good in our new tray, which I'm going to show you guys right now. I probably should be making a reel. Hold on. All right, so I decided I'm going to do the reel afterwards, but yeah. So let's just go ahead and go on. This is a nice what is it called, cutting board. It's wood. I'm going to be using this as a decor piece. It's black. It's from Hobby Lobby. I'm not going to put the prices, I'm not going to say the prices. If I remember, I'll put them on the screen, but to be honest, that's a lot of work. But here it is. It's nice and sleek and cute. Then I purchased these 2 candles from Hobby Lobby as well to go with these 2 candle holders that I got from Burlington. Here they are. These are a nice gold brass looking color that I'm going to be using for the dining table. How cute is that? Because I want to start having like candlelight dinner type things, you know, the vibes. All right, then we have our new fruit basket. This basket is from Target. It's called a Nantasket fruit basket. It's nice and heavy, heavier than the one I have, the rose gold one, and it's just a nice gold color to go with the vibes. Then we have some under shelf baskets. These are from Walmart, just to help with the spacing and organizing of the you know, the pots and pans and plates and bowls and all that stuff. So I bought a 2-pack from Walmart. Then I picked up this set of black plates. These were $10 at Burlington. They're plastic, but they're matte black, and they're just a nice aesthetic, especially for our new silverware. Buying paper plates, so this will be a nice addition and an aesthetic one at that. Then I bought this dish drying rack from Hobby Lobby for 50% off. This is the one that you just unravel and you lay it flat over your sink after you've washed dishes. I'm going to be putting this to use today when we wash our new silverware. But yeah, I'm super excited for this because I see it all over the internet, and I finally got one from Hobby Lobby. This one is really wide if you ask me, but yeah, super excited for that. Then we bought some cabinet liner grip. This is from Burlington. I just got black because to keep the color going. This was $5.99 at Burlington, and I'm just gonna replace all the gray ones that we have in the drawers down where the pots and pans are, and just put this nice black one underneath. All right, then we have a pot and pan lid holder. I bought a complete set right here from Amazon, but I bought these extra because in case we don't throw away all of our pots and pans, because I think I'm going to keep some of the white ones but get rid of most because we have a whole new pot and pan set. Here's an all black, a matte black paper towel holder. This is from Burlington. This was $4.99. Simple, sleek. Time to get rid of the rose gold one. Okay, and then we have these two little black jars. I'm not sure, I think these are actually going to be for the bathroom, but I'm just going to include them in this haul. These are from Target, the dollar section. These were $5 for these two glass canisters with the matte black lids, and I also got this spray bottle as well. These are going to be in the bathroom, the guest bathroom, but I'm just going to include them because they are part of the things that I purchased. Then we have this hubby and wifey glass set. I thought this was cute because the lettering is nice black with a detail of gold hearting on it, and I thought that was cute. These were $5.99 at Burlington, and yeah, this is just a cute little addition. Maybe we can replace it with some of the older glasses that I had for all these years, maybe like the blue ones. So yeah. All right, then I bought a Lazy Susan turntable. Not sure exactly where I'm going to use this in the kitchen just yet, but I thought it'd be nice to have one of these in our kitchen space. And then I bought this bowl. I think it's kind of, you know, spot on for us because we eat a lot of chips and dip. So you put your dip in this side and your chips here, and you're supposed to just, you know, enjoy. So I thought it would be cute, but it's not really for this haul, but I just want to include that. This is from Burlington for $2.99. Put your chips here, your dip here, and you just enjoy. All right, moving on to the big things. We have a Cool Daddy Presto not an air fryer, a fryer, a deep fryer, which I put on my registry, and I'm super excited because I've been wanting to deep fry things for a while now. So that's gonna be really good. You'll be seeing a lot of new recipes and cooking videos on my channel because I got a deep fryer for the first time. So super excited. This is from Presto. Next, one of my favorite parts of this video is our brand new kitchen set, our pot set, durable non-stick cookware set. It has 12 pieces in it, and it is nice and black and matte and gold, and I'm just so ready. Like, look at it, y'all. So pretty. The colors and everything. Like, I can't wait to unbox this for y'all, but y'all, this is so nice. This is from Walmart, and I think it was like maybe 100. It was no more than 150, I don't think. So super excited. We have a 6-quart, 3.5, 2.5, a cookware pot protector. There's 4 of those. A frying pan, an 8-inch frying pan, and a 10-inch frying pan. We are super excited. This is the #1 reason why I wanted to do this video today, because I want to start using my new pots, okay? So we're excited for that. That's from Walmart. Moving right along. So in this new Amazon box, we have a bamboo expandable organizer for our utensils. It's nice and black and heavy and wooden, and I'm just super excited to use this. Like, oh my gosh, it's so nice. I can't wait to unbox it like thoroughly. But y'all, this with the gold silverware, it's gonna look immaculate, okay? It's going to look so beautiful. Oh my gosh. All right, next in here, I believe this is the pot pan organizer. Yep, it's called a cabinet organizer, but to me it's just a pot and pan organizer. This is from Amazon, and there's a lot of pieces to it, so it has to be built, which you guys will see in the next video. But yeah, it has to be built, but it's a pot and pan organizer or a cabinet organizer. Here is, what is this again? These are peel and stick, what is this called? Backsplash. And then here's some peel and stick backsplash that we got from Home Depot, I think. but this is what it looks like. So stay tuned, it's about to get real. Look at that. Count. All right, and last but certainly not least, my favorite purchase of this thing after the pot set is this baby here, my brand new air fryer. This is from the beautiful collection from Drew Barrymore's collection, and you can I find this at Walmart. This was $69 on clearance, and it is a beautiful, nice white and matte gold air fryer. So yeah, it ranges from 90 to 400 degrees. It's easy to clean. It's 6 quart, 5 pound capacity, serves 5 to 7 people. Long lasting material, non-stick, and just all out just beautiful. I am so in love with this. I cannot wait to use this. Like, it's going to be a vibe. Okay, so we're super excited on that. That is all the stuff that I have for right now. I think I'm gonna do this video in 2 parts. So this is just a haul video, so thank you guys for watching the haul. Now stay tuned for us unboxing everything and putting them together. That is gonna be the very next video, so make sure you tune in 2 days, because it will be up 2 days from now. And yeah, I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for rocking with us. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, The Jerris Official, where we will upload at least once or twice a month for now, because we have busy schedules, but we're going to try to get back on our grind. We just released our wedding video, so now we're going to be rolling videos out. So make sure you subscribe to The Jerris Official. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and make sure you subscribe to DJ's channel, Go Deej, in the description box. And I will talk to y'all in the next video. See you guys next time.